Alright, 2008 Prius, and this splash guard is hanging off after being scraped against a front curb. We're going to see if some zip ties can help. I don't know. Let's see if we can get a light in here. The light's pretty weak.
Yeah, these two bolts.
I was thinking that, see how there are these holes? See the hole that we could stick a zip tie through? And
These
then
holes?
Yeah, where your thumb is.
Yeah, maybe we can.
Your finger. See how we could wrap around those metal rectangular.
These things?
There. Maybe you can't see.
Oh, I can see. Yeah. Wait. Oh, this thing?
Yeah.
Is there a hole in that thing?
No, I'm saying just wrap around the whole thing. So I wouldn't even worry about this. I think all we need to do.
He's got these.
Yeah, like maybe from this hole would be enough. I don't know if it would be, but yeah, that hole I guess down there.
This one or this one? There's one
Both
here.
of them, but yeah, your right pointer finger is probably the most important hole to wrap a zip tie up through that around those metal supports. I don't know if it's possible, but let's try it. All right, I think it works. Oops, the towel's getting in the way. So we had to join two zip ties together to make it reach, but it goes through this hole there and then wrapped around that piece that we showed in there.
Maybe show a picture of the zip ties. Looks like they're like 10 inches long or something.
I think that'll be a good enough clearance.
Here are these zip ties. Two of those joined together.
Cool.